Arf arf sneezes in French. How does one sneeze in? Would it be like sacre bleu? Is that how you sneeze?
Highlights.
Can't realize that we can hear them, so we're just gonna cheat.
What you doing?
Listen. We're doing this thing called smurfing right now because
And
we're not deaf in the Discord, so we can hear everything. We can hear everything.
I'm scared.
always love.
Oh my god, Kyle. I'm scared.
Okay, wait. It's my turn for the show. Choke me like you hate me. Would you?
Alright, let's leave him to die. We already killed him. Alright, Momo, I think we let this one slide.
What do you
What?
mean?
I think we let this one slide.
What
You
do
know,
you mean?
He started. He sang a corpse song. He ran the risk. He knew what was happening.
I mean, he did sing a corpse song. You're not wrong.
Momo, I won't kill you. I'll tell you that now.
I mean,
I will keep Momo alive. Okay. I
We're
deserve that.
No, heart. Hi, buddy. Hello, my mute little friend. How are you? I hope you're okay. I hope you're good. I still can't hear you. I'm going to control R as well. I still cannot hear you, friend. I do not know. Oh.
So.
Okay, I gotcha. What's up?
Yeah, this is Jeff.
Cute. I'm here for it.
Oh no, he's my ex. Come meet my friend.
Oh.
We have Bethany and Carol. Bethany's right here. Carol's right here. Don't mix them up. I know they look exactly alike, but don't mix them up. If you do, they
going in a
will
fucking
get angry.
Oh, okay. I'll make sure not to make them angry. I was just scared.
Hey,
No one's
Momo,
dead.
you want to meet Trent? You want to meet Trent?
Who's Trent?
Come here.
He's a cutie.
Look at this cutie.
Oh, hi.
Look at this cutie.
No.
Look at this cutie.
I knew he was gonna stab me.
Oh no!
So do we still let the imposter give it a spin, or do we just vote out now and call it a day?
Who's the imposter, Ray?
I think we should
Fucking
vote
play
and
dumb.
control.
I just saw Trent and then I dipped.
Austin has asked for me to vote, therefore I'm voting. And I
The
yes, I can
imposter
speak
is
with the dead
Trent.
now.
See,
I
the
can speak
issue
with
is
the dead now.
the imposter was Trent all
Dude,
along.
I knew it was Trent from Total Drama Island. That fucking big four-headed head ass.
What the
Wait,
fuck
what?
is this?
Why? What are these votes? Why are we not just voting and control R?
Does anyone
I don't have
med
med scan. No, I don't.
Bye.
Oh, do you want to watch
I'm
me
gonna
do
go
it?
Yes, and
Oh,
then
wait,
I need
do
to
you
do my.
do you trust? I don't. Are you gonna kill me?
No, I can't kill you. Not even if I wanted to.
Okay, are you sure?
Yep, I'm sure. I'm pressing it right now. I can't kill.
Okay.
It says report.
Okay, just protect me. Just protect me while I
Ah yes, I
stand
shall stand guard.
Stand at attention.
I am at attention. I will bark at anyone who comes by.
Perfect. Just be really aggressive with it. Be like, "Arr, arr, arr, arr," you know?
Oh my gosh, yeah. Let's
Just
go
like
find
that.
someone.
We just bark at them. Okay, let's go.
We'll go find them.
Yeah, let's find them.
Let's
and
go
bark.
down.
Are you gonna kill me? Are y'all just gonna fucking kill me? Hey, you too. Chill the fuck out. God damn. The fuck is wrong with y'all?
Oh, let's check
Ah,
admin
oof,
table.
woof, woof.
I'm on admin table. Oh, someone's in comms. Let's
Someone's
check
in
comms.
comms. It might be Ray. Woof. Oh, the door closed.
Oh no. Wolf pack.
Woof, woof. Oh, woo. I'm scared. It's dark. It's dark and I'm scared. The doors are closed.
Hold hands,
He's
hold
like-
hands.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh my
My-
gosh.
My scream
Who
echoed.
screamed?
My scream
was
echoed
Momo.
so loud. I'm sorry. I found
Okay.
a body.
Wait. There's somebody in the vent. Look at the admin table. Or is that Momo's body registering on the door? No, it's Momo's body
It
registering.
has to be because there's 3 other people.
I swear to fucking God.
You want to go vent into reactor and kill someone?
Oh, I'm not the imposter.
I feel like you're lying to me.
I'm not.
I swear to fucking God.
I already know who it is.
Oh my
Hall
God.
monitor, right here.
They really
Back in
just
the walls
fucking
of the
left it.
land.
What the fuck?
Hold up, yeah, you get on that side of the hall, I'll be on this side.
No one's allowed up.
Oh my God.
Exactly.
Fucking.
We have to see if they're on the list.
They're on the list. Bruh.
Have they not left reactor?
Please, please. Thank
There
you.
you go. Your
Oh
wish
my
has
God.
been granted.
Oh my God.
Hi, Mama.
Praise be.
Hi.
Oh wait, one of them came up. Oi, get back
Hey,
down. You're
hey,
not on the list.
wait.
Hey.
Wait.
Hey, you're not
Oh,
on
wait,
the
no.
list. Hey.
Hey.
What's your name?
Oh, I have
Hey.
it backwards.
Oh my
Mama,
God.
dude.
They're fucking.
Oh. Stacy, we know your dirty work.
Oh yeah, she just walked from that vent over here.
No.
Wait, what?
They're fucking
Go
barking,
back to the
please.
porta potty.
I swear to God. These are like fucking monkeys. What the fuck is that?
Banana.
Austin just went against Bingus.
Of
Bingus
course.
must be
Oh.
answered.
Oh. So we
My
let her
ret-
get
my
that.
retort to that is.
Where the fuck? There you are.
What?
Fucking Stacy ran, and these two idiots
She's
right here, they were like, "You
probably
can't kill us. You have to go
fucking
kill Austin because he went against
Bingus
Bingus."
request.
Did you kill him?
Oh my God.
Oh, I
Oh.
killed Kyle.
What?
I'm so
you-
Hi,
sorry.
Kyle. Welcome to the ghost
Yeah,
party.
fuck it. This isn't
Hi,
even
Kyle.
Austin. We told you to
Okay,
kill
I can't-
Austin.
I
He
can't
was
find him
supposed
though.
to
He was
kill
up in the
Austin.
greenhouse.
Austin
wait,
went
what?
north.
Here.
Austin went
Oh,
north,
rip.
and she went anywhere but
It's okay.
north.
These fucking. Oh my God.
Oh my god, this is so fucking fun. I love
Couldn't
proximity
find
chat.
this.
Same.
This is what you couldn't find.
I thought you guys all went. I thought you guys
This
went
is what
to
you
react.
couldn't find.
I thought he went to react.
What
I was
sort
so
of fucking
confused.
original Scream movie from the 1990s hiding spot could you not find? So I still need to understand.
Yep, I'm
Like,
controlling
the only way that hiding spot could have been worse is if it was a 6-year-old hiding behind curtains level of
I
bad.
thought
And
he
you
went
just-
to reactor, so I didn't even bother to check. I was
Oh
like,
my
he's not over
God.
there.
So you just come into cafeteria and you do a fucking drive-by on my monkey partner here?
I literally
Okay.
couldn't stand you two. I could not stand you two when you both were standing on my body and were like,
We got
we're just gonna
monkeys over
ignore
here.
that.
Hang on,
or-
hang on. Stacy, no, go back over to Momo. Go back over to Momo, Stacy. Stand next to
What?
Momo. We got monkeys and we got dogs.
At the start.
No.
Vote him
Austin, Austin, you need to pick.
Pick what?
You need to pick a side or you get voted off.
The dogs or the monkeys.
You must.
Yeah, boy. I want to see how much that weight that ass can bear. Pick a side.
Oh my God.
What's
Well, I'm no
what
monkey.
say you? Wait, what? I couldn't hear.
Is there something wrong with being a monkey?
No, but there's something better about being part of the wolf pack.
Canceling.
Oh,
Cancel.
Cancel him.
Go,
Cancel him.
Stans.
Send him out.
Go,
Send him out.
Stans.
Send him
Cancel.
out.
Oh my God.
He's part of the. He is picked the wolf
Hashtag
pack.
He's
Austin
picked
is
the
over
wolf pack.
party.
Did you skip?
Austin is over party.
Stacy,
Austin comes
cancel
to
him.
the wolf pack side.
Go, Stans.
Stacy,
Go.
who'd you vote? Who'd you vote?
I skipped.
I have to. This is turf wars now.
This
Now
is
they're targeting our.
Terraforms?
They're targeting our little wolf pup.
Oh God,
I
who did you
skipped.
vote?
Oh, I
Sure
just
would.
picked Ray.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me.
This is turf wars.
Turf Wars.
Wulu, make it 50-50. Well, I really thought he was
Wait.
an imposter. I
Wait,
genuinely believed it was him this whole time.
no, no.
So who the
Well,
hell's
it's
the
too late to
imposter?
join
I'm
the
scared.
wolf pack.
Who?
It's someone in the
Who is
wolf
it?
pack?
It's just
No-
not.
Oh, they're challenging the wolf pack.
A woo.
They're challenging. That's it.
How dare they? It's not me
This is
though.
rude.
It's just not me. What? What? Is it you?
The wolf pack is safe.
Oh, okay. Don't mind me, I'm just fixing lights.
Wait. We gotta wait.
I'm just flicking the lights. Boop, there's one. Oh man, these lights are really hard.
What?
One of the monkeys has
Oh
been
man, these
terminated.
lights are really hard.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
The dogs
Oh
are
my god.
barking.
Oh my god!
Kyle's just crying.
Kyle. Oh my god.
I fucking can't. What do the votes look like? Can y'all tell me? I can't see.
Kyle's dying.
Yeah, so Kyle.
Now, maybe if we
You guys want to see something cool?
Yeah, what's up?
Ray's body's still over here.
Wait, is it?
This is where I spawned.
Oh, I don't see her body.
Oh wait,
Yeah.
really? Oh, But see,
Can you report it?
Stacy's gonna
in
kill
honor-
us and be
in
like,
honor
this is
of-
their body.
What?
Oh,
in honor of the wolf pack, I cannot kill my kin.
Oh.
Stacy, I thought you were gonna say, oh, you can't see his body and then like kill one of us.
No, I can't kill my kin. I cannot kill one of
It's
the wolf
just-
pack.
It just can't
I
happen.
just- It just can't happen. We don't turn on each other.
We can't.
Wolf pack forever.
We'll
Teardrop.
tag forever.
Oh,
But. Oh. But.
you guys know what to do. It's okay, Austin. Just
It's
do it.
okay, Austin. You know what to do.
I don't know if
go-
I
It's
know.
for the best.
It's me. It's literally me.
I
It's
know
for
it's
the best.
Stacy, but I didn't know if I should do something else.
It's okay.
It's for the best.
We cannot kill the
It
wolf
must be
pack.
done.
I did it for you guys.
Wolfpack for life.
Momo, you're now my hitman. I need you
What?
to follow me.
What?
Come with me.
No.
What do you
I would
mean?
You're my hitman. You're my hitman.
What does that mean?
It means I hire you to kill people. What the fuck do you think it means?
Hi.
Okay, listen, Stacy, this isn't what you think it is. I'm just talking about my birthday party, okay? I need you to
Yeah.
go.
Hey, I just wanted to see something spooky.
I
I'm
mean,
here
you
for the
might be able
show.
to say something spooky if you stay in this room, in this corner, like right about here. You know what I'm saying? Stay right about there. Okay, so now where's Austin? Is he gonna come up here, or do we have to go find him?
I can make him come up here.
Yeah, maybe make him come up here.
I can make him come up
Oh,
here.
true and real. All right, we'll chill in the doorway.
Okay.
So how's your day?
It's going pretty well, you know. I haven't killed anyone today, so.
Objection!
What? Not
I don't know.
today. Like maybe
I don't know.
yesterday,
I
but
saw,
like.
I saw the word, I saw the Phoenix right on Steam one time, so I just kind of said the word objection. You know.
Oh, that's fair.
Alright, so you got someone in Decontam and someone in Med Bay.
They really aren't coming.
Someone's,
God
someone's
damn,
coming
they're
up. Someone's
so
coming up.
I'm gonna
far
turn on the
away.
lights and we're gonna go to Medbay. That's the plan. So
Perfect.
let's just all come this way. Come this
Someone's
way.
in locker room.
You want to see something spooky? You come this way. All right.
Stacy, come.
I'm here.
There's nobody in Medbay. I was lied to.
Okay, no, someone's in CAF. I saw that on. I
Okay,
saw that
Kat.
on the table.
All right. There's no way they snuck by us, right? Hello? Oh, it's just nerdy.
Oh, hi, nerdy.
That only leaves one.
Then
So
only
where's the
leaves
other
you
one?
one. Austin, come back.
Will
No,
we see a
no.
ghost today?
It's breaking the ankles.
There it is, guys.
Did you
And
see
there
that?
it is, live on
And
camera.
that's why
Live
you don't
on
play Among
camera.
Us at 3 a.m. We
Live
going wrong.
on
Going
camera.
pants.
You saw it here,
We have
folks.
to get all we
We
In
got-
can wood.
4K.
We got a spirit.
16
We
red
just saw it
arrows in the
here.
thumbnail.
Ooh.
Next up on how to get away with murder,
Ooh.
Miss Momo.
Huh?
Can you give us a few words?
I feel like I'm gonna be the few.
Step,
What do
step,
the
step,
viewers
step, step.
say?
Stabby,
And
stabby, stab.
there you have it, folks. You heard it straight from the source. Stab, 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 stab.
Stabby, stabby, stab.
And now we give our life for the cause.
Listen, man, we don't have much time. I need you to realize that I've come from the past to warn you of very important. You are aiming for me, Momo. You are directing your crosshair.
I'm just not.
You're fucking JFK. Oh wait, you're not aiming for me because you killed. Did you?
No. Come here. No, don't report it, please.